something I don't mess with? Ore-Ida fries. They're always crispy on the outside, tender and fluffy on the inside, and so delicious. It's a little thing, I know. But now, when a lot of things are different, it's worth it to me to keep some things perfect. It's not just Ore-Ida. It's Ore-Ida.
Through Monday only, get up to a 42-inch HD TV at the Ashley Furniture Home Store. Big screen event. Get an HD TV, select room group, plus this 3-piece living room with TV for only $9.99. Or get an HD TV with purchase of $19.99 or more. Ends Monday.
I don't want you seeing my daughter. It's over.
I think it'll be over when Carmen gets out of bed to make me a sandwich.